So is the new price of the new flagship from Nvidia worth it? That's what we're here to find out in this video. The Asus Strix Nvidia Geforce Rtx 4090Oc comes in an excellent packaging, although there's a bit too much plastic involved. The main package contains a hard foam to protect the graphics card, which itself is covered in a plastic film on every flat surface. Inside you will find the manuals and cables neatly tucked away. The graphics card measures 35.76 cm in depth, 14.93 cm in width and 7 cm in height. Its design is impressively detailed, with a back panel featuring mirrors shaped like the Asus Strix logo, while the right side boasts eye-catching LEDs. The front side of the card features a striking combination of red and blue colors adorned with the Asus Strix logo. On the left side you will find 2 HDMI 2.1 ports and 3 display ports. The latest gaming graphics card has impressive features and capabilities. It has 24GB of VRAM, making it the top performer in the market. With a thermal design power of 450W, it's energy efficient. The card uses GDDR6X memory for higher transfer rates and improved performance. It has a floating point performance of 85.52 teraflops, indicating exceptional processing power. The card also has 76,300 million transistors, highlighting its state-of-the-art processor. Notably, it supports double precision floating point calculations, which are crucial for precision-intensive tasks like scientific research and data modeling. The 4090 graphics card supports the 4th generation of PCI, a high-speed interface for motherboard connectivity. Newer PCI versions offer increased bandwidth and performance. It operates at clock speeds of 2235 MHz and a turbo speed of 2610 MHz and has a memory speed of 1325 MHz. With 16,384 shading units, it handles various image processing tasks. The effective memory speed is an impressive 21,000 MHz with a maximum memory bandwidth of 1018 GB per second. Its 384-bit memory bus width enables efficient data transfer, enhancing overall performance. The card also supports ECC memory, which detects and corrects data corruption, ensuring reliability, especially in critical scenarios like scientific computing or server operations. The 4090 graphics card supports up to 4 displays using DisplayPort and HDMI 2.1 ports. It has a pixel rate of 459.36 G-pixels per second, rendering a significant number of pixels per second. The texture rate of 1336.32 G-texels per second allows for high-speed rendering of textured pixels. With 512 texture mapping units, the card efficiently processes texture information, resulting in improved performance. It also features 176 render output units, responsible for finalizing the rendering process, including tasks like anti-aliasing for enhanced visual quality. In terms of software compatibility, the 4090 supports DirectX version 12 and OpenGL version 4.6, ensuring optimal performance and compatibility with the latest gaming and rendering technologies. Additionally, it supports advanced features such as ray tracing, 3D capabilities, and deep learning supersampling, and an AI-powered upscaling technology. DLSS allows the graphics card to render games at a lower resolution and upscale them to a higher resolution, providing a near-native visual quality and improved performance. However, it's important to note that DLSS is only available in select games. To showcase its performance in games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla, with the graphic quality set to ultra high, the 4090 delivers an average frame rate of over 100 frames per second. Even the minimum frame rate exceeds 40 FPS and the maximum frame rate reached over 200 FPS, offering a smooth and immersive gaming experience. Furthermore, it's worth noting that the VRAM usage remains low, indicating the graphics card's ability to handle demanding tasks without fully exhausting its memory resources. When it comes to rendering in Blender, the 4090 demonstrates exceptional speed and efficiency. making it an excellent choice for content creators and professionals in need of high-performance graphics processing. If you're looking for the best gaming graphics card that delivers top-notch performance, or if you want to ensure that your PC can handle ultra-high graphics quality in games for years to come, the graphics card is an excellent choice. However, the RTX 4080 should provide sufficient performance for most games at ultra-high graphics quality as well. Moreover, the card should also perform admirably for demanding tasks like complex 3D rendering and real-time 3D displaying. In the following video, I will show you the other components of that render machine. By using the links in the description, you can get fast to the product and I get a commission when you buy it. Win-win for both of us. If you have feedback, let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, you know what to do, like it, and if you want to see more like that, subscribe to my channel.